My lovely brothers and sisters, good morning. Nketa pụtara m ọsịsọ ka o nwere ebe m na-aga, but achọrọ m ibu ụzọ mee broadcaster before m apụ. So ọwụ na itetego ebe ị nọ, bịa ka join am. Nke a gbasara me na ga abụọ, gbasa onye niile, gbasa ụmụnne ya niile wu ndị Igbo. Echefukwara ihe niile m na-eme ebe a na m emekwa ya maka ndị Igbo. So nke a ga-adị interactive this morning. Achọrọ m ịnụ ihe gị nwa na-ege m ntị ga-ekwu. After ịnụrụ ihe m ga-ekwu, achọrọ m ka ọ wụ dialogue, conversation of the two, dialogue. So ịnụcha ihe m ga-ekwu, achọrọ m ịnụ ihe ị ga-ekwu. So I got activate the principle of dialogue this morning, which is expression and the comprehension. So come and join me. First of all, good morning. Bịa join him. Bịa join him. Ka ime ya ka ọ dị clear. So, Biko, show us love and show us like. Share the program, please, so that it will get to many people. Some people may misunderstand them, though it is expected, because I am not like an open book you can just read and understand the same moment. So I'm a human being. But the little misunderstandings among my listeners come to my address this morning concerning church matter. Or one of those people na I'm anti-Christ. You're one of those people na I'm against church. You're one of those people na I'm hate the church. Come this morning, just be here now. Share this program so that a lot of people will come and hear me and hear what I have to say. Those of you who don't know what it means to be a free thinker, come this morning, come teach you who I am. Because some of you cannot quite understand me. But it is expected also. You can't just understand me. So, but I am still who I am. And those who have come to understand me, they enjoy my program every day. So, please help us share this program. Until I see a good number of people, then I will begin to speak. We're going on the other side. Help us share it. I try to this misunderstanding continue unless you choose to misunderstand me. Not that I'm not able to, make myself clear to you, but maybe you choose. I just hate a mother for nothing. Maybe you hate me. Maybe you hate me, and I can never be good enough for you to listen to me or for you to understand me. That is quite understandable. You don't have to like me, all of you. Reserve some things for yourself as a human being. But as for me, I also want to make it clear again, my stand. Because many times when Najum say, where is your stand? Where is your stand? Oh, Emmanuel Chibuike, miracle. Najum, where is my stand? Because Biano Tusaku know my stand. Share this program, please. Share this program. Some people nature nam they against church, which is very laughable. Some people nature nam they against church because nam neku the truth. Gicha nam they against church. I am not. Okay, but that should I say it, that bitter truth that you don't want to hear about a church. Listen to me. In every coin, you with every coin now, every coin with two sides of So the side in Kahine Lanya, every day sing hallelujah. Yes, I know that one, but I also know the other side. So flip whatever the coin sometimes give away, but you have to deal with it. If I say good morning. So actually, many people back on to I want to speak. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Yes, I am doing fine. If I'm doing fine. I want to discuss something with you, Emmanuel Uchibuike Miracle. Yes, go ahead. Go ahead. Gwami, how will you tell Gwami? Share this program to a lot of people. Share this program to Onowole Managa Church. Even those people need their comment like Mwa Antichrist. Please share this program to them. I want them to come. Let me talk to them this morning. Okay? I want to make my stand very clear. Many of you now say, Emma, my stand. Some of you say, I'm a double standard man. Some of you say, I'm a hypocrite. Just all of you come. I want to address you. Come. Come. I respect your opinion. Whatever it is, whether it is negative, whether it is positive, I respect it because it is your opinion. But you also have to respect my own opinion. We are all brothers. Mandina aga Madiohao, Mandina aga Churchu, Mandina Wenkana Gaga. We are all Igbos. We are all brothers. And I may understand. That is why when me came Madhowola, watch all my program. Otuto Oma Chidebere Ogai and Onyeze. Yes. Chidubem. Yes. Good morning to you all. Because Shaya my programmer. That is why I challenge anybody. When you can find in one of my videos, church. It is wrong to say so. Or when I'm cool, such a thing, it means that all my years of exposure, all my years of exposure and experiences, and all my years of travel, all are need. Because it's like starting a fight you cannot finish. Onye wala gwara mmadụ si agakwala church by yourself. Ihe ya ha mean na it the naive of exactly what a human being is. And I control mmadụ 100%. But what I'm speaking, if you find a reason not to do anything, then you will not do it. But I cannot tell you by force na agakwala church. It is wrong. Just like a guy, I'm going to go to church now for going to 10 years. And when you don't do it. I found a reason not to do it and I stop it. But it doesn't mean that I have problem with God. No. Because of the manipulations now, because of the unsound doctrine, some of them, because of the, some preachers are not well lettered in terms of Bible, yet they carry the Bible and they be spewing rubbish. I choose not to go so that in my head the med does being where you come to dump every rubbish. So I like to keep my sanity. Church. Not that I'm against church. It's no church in my compound. It's no church. Go and do it. By the way, can I stop you? Our government, genye law, say don't do this thing. Who am I? Some of you, because he get my program sometimes, they against church. Then I'm post yesterday. Some people are there, na him gasi but state or church. Please share this program. Let everybody come this morning. I want to speak. Ututoma. So, because share no programmer. Shayania. I want to try and repeat one woman again on this same topic. Equally me here many times, but emago. Nkaije woro mad. I want when did it watch cha video. And when you just know that one line here with you, run with it. You got that? And I'm surprised yesterday somebody post to them somebody sent the Aramo picture of one man and a body on just because of our phone white. When he post to them some normal and I'm like them na support ijele. Lekwa support ijele. Hey, my sister Antonia listen from Ghana. Good morning, my dear sister. Good morning to you. Because you all about this morning, help and share this program. Actually, me my address once again. And not that I'm going for the last time because all of us, we are humans. Some of you again. Some of you are attack again. The same thing. Because At my age, I go my own philosophy. If you look at me, I go my own street. I go my own street where I'm going. So, sorry. Whatever you see me say here, if it appeals to you, if you find any reason to believe me, you do. But I cannot force you to believe me. I cannot force you to believe me. We don't have the same story. I have not seen what you have seen. You have not seen what I have seen. So my decisions are based on my own life experiences. So when I bring it out here, I bring it out to share it. I'm not bringing it to force you. You must do what I do. By the way, I want my own unique fingerprint. It doesn't match your own. That's one reason why I'm now a free thinker. And indeed, if you digest it, indeed I come out with free thinker. Live and let live. Live and let live. It's not all for Bonoke Iri from 1st to 31st. My men are giving at the same house. No problem. I cannot tell you why you no. Get some now a goosey. Stew instead of stew. Not Iri. You have to do it. But also, do not tell me what to do. You just be free. Especially when it comes to my private life. I don't want you to tell me how to live it. Share this program for us. Share this program for us. Onyeze Chidubem, Chidebere Ogayi, Antonia, Allison, Ifani Nzelo. How many of you are here? Please share this program so that we'll have more people. On a post to me yesterday about Henaga on Nemo State, Maka Zion. Then some people are coming to misunderstand me, but I have to speak. On a way me when my mother misunderstand them because it is expected. It is wrong. Then when I post, my reactions, people now be even people now be no me ya come chineke pokwa me post me when you gram something on them can and make them the right thing because you cannot speak the mind of everybody. You have to also respect those people who criticize you. That is their own opinion. You have to respect them. Help one and share this program this morning. We are about to say something very important. We are about to say something very important. So, we are about to say something very important. Thank you. Sometimes when I speak and I hear some of the people who follow me here, they make the same expression. It's like, oh God, I've done a good job. And when my sister could hear, exactly. All I know is Onyana way. Yeah? That is it. That is it. That is it too. A big agar in life, a big rule in life, mentally and spiritually. You begin to respect the right of every human being. Ya me nwe ihe mmụtara n'obodo Igbo. Ya ma mkpata ha ego n'obodo Igbo dịka obi Kubana. Amụtara very important things from obodo Igbo. This is one of the things. Obodo am nọ na ya na-awụ Sweden. Ihe obodo a na-practice ihe a na-akpọ secular system. For some of you, now they're conversant with all these things. Ka m gwa ihe secular system. Sweden awụhụ a Christian country per se. Sweden awụhụ a Muslim country per se. Sweden awụhụ a Buddhist country per se. Sweden awụhụ an atheist country per se. Sweden wụ secular system. Ka m gwa gị ihe omere. Ihe omere wụ onye na way ya my sister na-ekwu ebe. It's not Buddha ka ị chọrọ ife. Gafewe Buddha. It's not Wokwute ka ị chọrọ ife. Gafewe Wokwute. It's not Amadioha ka ị chọrọ ị na-akpọ. Ga-akpọwa Amadioha. It's not Jesus ka gị mma. Sowe Jesus. Mana ejikwele any of those things he believe. It disturb another person. Or the baha kam kwuo. And given at this country, give on a hand with a peace. Hand with a peace, so hand with a peace. When you kill somebody G megaphone on the street, they disturb the peace of another person because what are maka Allah or what are maka Jesus. How he believe will keep you inside you. Akadi onye mma yetinye Ishi. Exactly. So all that is one of my principles. So Bobble watch my video. Do not swallow everything you hear unless you have a reason to do so. Reserve I don't want to control you. No, I don't want to control anybody. When I speak, if what I say appeal to you, take it. If it doesn't appeal to you, you stand the chance to object it. Sometimes I am there comment. They comment sometimes. Oh, no, na mood about warm. I'm not gonna mood about warm happen. I'm not gonna mood correct because I'm a human being. I won't be a robot and we get them mutaya or one jab come issues, reata. When you get them, which I am church. But I still recognize you, Eka my brother, Eka my sister. Yes, we may not agree on that thing, but I still love you. Because shy around any programmer. Shy on this program. Formally, before maybe the ham you catch on come kelun. Okay, so come start. Ishi Igbo wumbido. I mean, Igbo wish bido. Ụmụnne m ndị n'ala Igbo, ndị nọ n'Imo steeti, ndị n'ala Owerri, ndị nọ n'Ọnịcha, ndị nọ n'Aba, ndị nọ n'Enugu, ndị nọ n'Abakaliki. Ga-akwara ukwu ụmụnne m ndị nọ n'Asaba. Maka aka m kwere na Asaba wa ala Igbo, but ha sị na ha bụ ndị Igbo, but nke ha dịwagodo. Unu niile ana m asị unu ụtụtụ ọma na ụtụtụ a. M si ebe ahụ bịa ndị nọ na Lagos, bịa ndị nọ na Abuja, bịa ndị nọ Port. Talipa ma ọkwa ndị Greek. M sị unu good morning. M gakwuru ụmụnne anyị ndị nna Cotonou, ndị nna Lome Togo, gakwuru ụmụnne anyị ndị nna Abidjan, ndị nna Makori, ndị nna Trècheville, ndị nna Cocody, ndị nna Jamaica, Ivory Coast ka m na-ekwu ihe ahụ maka ka ọma akpagharịala m. So m gakwuru ụmụnne anyị ndị nna Gabon, Libreville, gakwuru ndị nna Douala, Cameroon, gakwuru ndị nna Limbe, gakwuru ụmụnne anyị ndị nna Kinshasa, Congo. M gakwuru ha m sị ha bonjour. M bịakwute ụmụnne anyị ndị nna Spain, ndị nna Malaga, ndị nna Madrid. M sị ha buenos dias. M gakwute ụmụnne anyị ndị nna Stuttgart, ụmụnne anyị ndị nna Berlin, ụmụnne anyị ndị nọ na Bremen, ụmụnne anyị ndị nọ na Citizen na Germany ebuka. M sị ha guten morgen. M gakwute ụmụnne anyị ndị nna Sofia, Bulgaria, ndị nna Petrish. M sị ha dobre utra. M gakwute ụmụnne anyị ndị nna St. Petersburg, ụmụnne anyị ndị nọ na Moscow. M sị ha dobre utra. M bịakwute ụmụnne anyị ndị nna Nairobi, Kenya, bịakwute ndị nna Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. M sị ha sabaher. Habari, I'm sorry. M bịakwute ndị nna Dubai, Oman, Jordan. M bịakwute ndị nna Doha, Qatar. M sị ha sabaher. M bịaghachi ozugbo bịakwute ụmụnne anyị ndị nna Thessaloniki, ụmụnne anyị ndị nọ na Athens, ndị nna Patmos Island ebe ahụ egburu John. Bịakwute ụmụnne anyị ndị nna Kefalonia. M sị ha kalimera. M bịakwute ụmụnne anyị ndị nna Italy, ndị nna Padova, ndị nna Roma. All of you. Nsunu buongiorno. Mbịaghachi again. Bịa na Sweden. Ndị nna Gothenburg, ndị nna Stockholm, ndị nna Malmö, ndị nna Uppsala. Unu niile. Asị m unu gumoron. Now, let's go. Ekelechala m niile. Okwu m chọrọ ka m address this morning. Okwu m chọrọ ka m address this morning. Not forgetting my dear sister na Ghana. I don't know how you say good morning there. Anyway. So, okwu m bịara ka m address this morning. O nwere post m mere yesterday. On a post yesterday. Maka project brother Ebuka Obi na Imo State. Na bamba. Ọ dị ka alụrụ ọgụ. So onye aha na bamba ebe ahụ akụ Zion. So na-ekwu out of anger na achọkwa ka agba egbe na aga agba egbe. So egechala m that thing. Mụnwa na onwe m as an elderly person. Mgbe ọla ịhụ situation dị like that, you come to make peace. Ị ga-abịa wunye fuel n'ọkụ. Ịma na ihe ọbụla gbasara ala. How will I land? Unless me with somebody not the experience. How will I land in the controversy? Anything about land in the controversy. So here media now is expected to happen. That thing even more game. It is expected to happen. Unless me somebody name experience at all. Land in the controversy. Sometimes even if azuchala ime onye zuru ala ahụ ịkwụọla ụgwọ gịnị emene did mehe niile after zuchala chọka ga anụ ala somebody might come from anywhere begin to challenge you. Ọ ihe na-eme unless me zubala before, unless me went to experiences before, unless me know the stories in the mad. So when such a thing happen, gịnị ka a ga-eme? Two wrongs cannot make a right. You come in, if you want to come in, you come in as a peacemaker. In Agata. So, now, made that post. My aim was for people to hear that thing and speak their mind and calm the situation down. Somewhere along the line, after Mecha post, Zion himself, that man named Hadia, and then I post a comment, I say, na here ha wo hu a ko mere na o tetula here ha mere and ha find ala peace. Msokwane it sounds good. Maka peace kama. Then people say na bombardism. Now why MJ kusi bute church in Imo State? Why now here industry get bute in Imo State? Why MJ bute church in Imo State? Ndị a na-ekwu ihe ha bịa na ebe a. Biano. Some of them didn't help my followers, so you got some outsiders. Now why am you like that? Why am I distributed church in Imo State? I'm Joe. Give one here. Or Zion would the only church in Imo State. Zion. Ndi Igbo. Our brother. Onyolu. Chukwebuka. Anozi Obi. Oya wonye nwe Zion ahụ. Who decided in Ogishi Lagos put that there nowhere. Before Ebuka Obi abiwa nowhere, ebe ha chọm ka exam or naanị Zion wu church no nowhere. When I went to let me good topic now. People are pushing. Anyway, I have to say this thing, okay? Get one ask him why I'm just put the church in Imo State. Gwa me eziokwu go nwe eziokwu. Or Zion aha now the only church in Imo State. I want to get it over a hanina na. I got my church at the boy. I got my church Kumu in Imo State. I got my church Oyedepo in Imo State. Even Imo Pekin church Suleiman in Imo State. Church in India, non-gaha before our brother Abia. Ibupu Shalandia Hanine. Haju kam naju. Church Kumu ya. Na church at the boy. Na church Suleiman, na church Oyedepo, church because I want to believe. I hope I'm nanya, but I want to believe because Nigeria na run church industry. Church in Dinka, I believe no nowhere. I got located somewhere nowhere. Ibupu chalandinka. Ibupu chabie. Then why iji cho ka ebupu nke brother Ebuka Obi? One of whom I believe in justice and equality. Ya woma actually meshi church in Nigeria meshi pam. Agraham church you. But because a meshi chabending cause agama see meshi and my brother. Listen, gine me no will in a man wa. Ige use really your sense. Brother Ebuka Obi we can put a church aha there now. Oh we can shikwe church aha maybe run something. Okay. Na Nigeria today, especially nowhere, mshiputa. Hotels in everywhere. And when any industry na ozana no hotels. one agwa m here. Ubole ki me protest na kwushinu hotels a na arụ one other things. He may be such a thing now, but in a man come expect come say ebutekule Zion nowhere. Or walk on. You know walk. Ya munu chọrọ ịkwụsị church in Nigeria, which government stand there up na ha chọrọ ịkwụsị. Ha ga stop here. But on any government ga-emeli. Individual again. That is why when we came upon a church, until you find a reason to go or not to go, that will be your own decision. Because only na ndi the power to stop it with government. Until government individual again madu we keep them to shout we date it tomorrow. Agakwala church. Or one or two people ga and onwe ha find a reason not to go, but it got stop police as a system. Unless my government is stepping in to stop oil. Igana Rwanda now. Rwanda. Paul Kagame, the president of Rwanda, ushered down 60,000 churches. Again, all president, he can stop it. Even though we can make a declaration that you are trying to quit Christianity here, it will stand. Sorry, because we're president of a country. But apart from that, and when any other organization or individual again melee, what are this thing in way peace? Can happen to disturb one again? Last time na Kenya, President Ndi Kenya, William Ruto, o mekiri, o propose a bill, and all the bill ha pass ala. Us any pastor one may miracle again na Kenya. Here hana po miracle. Any of them many again na Kenya. No ga 5,000 Kenya shillings. 5,000 Kenya shillings is 60 million naira. Here ga stand because all executive president of a country many, but an individual again million. When any group get million. So what are my limitations? And when limitations because I'm just a human. I'm just one person. And I'm not sitting in any political office. I'm not having any political authority. I am just an individual and a free thinker also. Him get me focus on. For some of you now, what I him nemeba. Who anything about church, whether more the harsh, whether more the soft. Here I'm gonna go with the truth. And the truth I'm gonna go with the side of the truth. Then when you because every coin with a two side. Siding can he get like used to in a line benine. I won't decide him go sing. I go sing the other side in now. Or yakiji reactor. Or get make am change him gorage. Church is one of the instruments of colonialism. Akoma gwakwara ozo. Because onyocha, on a history. On a history. Onyocha had the moral right to how to be godly. Because mad and mad he onyocha de godly karonyoji. So why onyocha gejibia woronega wam how to be godly? You got a onyocha had the moral standing igwonyoji how to be godly. But it takes a critical thinker to understand this thing. You got a so some of you ndi children on onyocha angel. Emana mu otam di ugbu mbrumoto m na-agaja n'ụzọ ugbu ana meku na Sweden here now, right? Mbrumoto m na-agaja n'ụzọ now. Somebody na street mana maybe o nwere ike ọ na-achị gebe bus stop. Mo bus stop dị anya mo ana m atry inye onye signal. Ị ga-acha ka m drop ogo because I am godly. I'm not a human being like myself. Man onye ọcha na-eme. Onye ọcha can never try it. Even give way for ga akwụsị ọ ga-agawara onwe. Ihe ndị nna nna anyị ha ji fall victim n'aka ndị ọcha because ndị nna nna anyị ha dị godly. Even o mekwara anyị affected today. Ị na-agaje na street ugbu a, maybe make mistake. Onye ọcha beg ya something, ma onye ọcha nwa swara broken. Even ị ga-ahapụ ọnụ ahụ ị gaje today, so that is how godly we are. And then the ọcha took advantage of that. Turn no brain and upside down. Mgbe m gwara gị na Genwa woni Igbo ekwesịghị na condemn ndị nna nna gị. Ama what I'm saying. Gakwana ga mepe another book. Ga mepe another book na wo Bible go kene. Gi hu di ihe ndị ọcha na, gi hu di arụ nke ndị ọcha mere n'onwe ha. Ke ha mere ndị be ha. Hapụzie ke ha mere anyị nwa. Ke hu di arụ ndị ọcha mere ndị be ha. Then ụdị ndị mere ndị be ha ụdị arụ dị otu a. Imagine zi ụdị ihe ha mere ndị nna nna anyị. Ị na-agụkwa akwụkwọ, ị na-agụkwa history books. Ị na-ahụkwa otu esi were Antigua na Uncle those days. Kenecha ha chenu n'ụlọ, ole ndị mere ha ya ọkwa dị ndị ọcha. Onye ọcha adịghị godly enough igosi m Chukwu. Okay? So mgbe m gwara gị sị gị na Christianity also a powerful instrument of colonialism, I still stand on it. It is the truth. At the same time, here no one advantage and disadvantage. Christianity also therefore with its own values, therefore with its own flaws. Are they perfect? You know what? This thing I'm now. Only all way a researcher, only all way a reader, only all open-minded person, man. Now here is you. But if you are locked up inside the cocoon of your religion, you can never accept it. I can just soon. One thing I am a free thinker. I don't want any religion. I don't want any creed. I don't want any cult. I don't belong to anything. I don't belong to anything. Oh yeah, man. Onye cult may him buy. Onye church may him buy. Onye Amadioha may him buy. I am just that person, that guy who stands in between. I stand for humanity. How is you? Because onye church who get we joku hot to church, you ga kwe go have pay hot to the feeling of his church. But mo age kwe. Onye cult who joku gara, get exposed to cult, you ga like kwe. And I'm mo age kwe because I don't belong to any. E hona why oji dey important ni gide full akoma. E hona why oji dey important ni gide full akoma. Most of those places in Agona Bible. Most of those places in Agona Bible. Ejichala m okwu m ga ebe a. Ejile m okwu ma gacha ebe a niile. Agala m Corinthians in Agona Bible. Agala m Veria. Agala m Patmos Island ebe a John nwụrụ. Agala m Thessaloniki. Agala m Acropolis na Athens. Agala m everywhere. You understand what I'm saying? So, knowledge more than can I won't I won't hear you to honor one here. Him here because I believe in a Chineke expose them to all those things so that I can learn what things be a teacher you them. I want to go sometimes some put a call na akoko too much. I enjoy it also because it's part of it. How money but how somebody not like it. But don't step your boundaries. Maybe you're telling them shaka I'm with live. Anyway, I'm going to be key with live anyway. So, Gent. Iya him hana around nowhere. Achom konyo wala woni Igbo. Onyo wala woni Igbo, especially onyo wala woni Imo State. Accept oha. Don't fight them. Don't fight in desire nowhere because he gave win here. Okay? Then unu biakwara na abia also. Unu get respect to those people unu bia na bia. The host community. You have to respect them. Kapisi de. You know what? Kapisi de. Kapisi de that place. Because why I get that fight on your can? Master no gara Badagry ga church had the cause actually na Badagry. I saw na Badagry ga even in the Yoruba we kinye more enabling environment ko no that thing because ha no wala agara. You know what? Ama no wala agara. O nwere ike church ahụ ga ahụ ugbu a. Shikwe nga ahụ ndị asị no company shikwe nga ị gala Enugu. Agala m Enugu. Ima how many companies Mbaka nwe in Enugu apart from adoration ahụ na eme there. Ima na Mbaka na akwụ a lot of people salary every month from companies in Bakamure. Do you know? Imana Mbaka na produce yogurt. Do you know that? Imana Mbaka na produce mmiri. Owukwa mmiri nke odeka nke Jeremiah ne. Mbaka na produce mmiri ana ngunu. Even mmiri ya the ya the finest in Enugu state. Do you know? All people na run no company. Mbaka nwekwara other things. O create kwa job opportunities. Ota akwa ko nwe kidi brother Ebuka Obi no well. You got that? So at all na it was pass. Ndị na-asịkwa no bia start bute industry. Yes. Iche na ọwụ na Nigeria nwe steady electricity na. E makwa na enwere Nigeria si na abroad. People like us ndị no US chọrọ ịlọta ụlọ. Bia establish one industry or so. But kedu electricity ga-eji da run ya? Kedu electricity ga-eji run ya? Kitchen industry wo like your private house tinye solar panel. You need to constant power. Ndị niile a na-ekwu ihe asị ebutekwala church n'Owerri. Why you try him a protest gwa government ma gwa hope ụzọ dị mma si ya mee like otu Alex Otishi mee ya na Aba na ya mee ka enwee 24 hours power no Imo State. With this thing now Alex Oti mee na Aba, watch ya 2 3 years 4 years ị ga-ahụ otu Abia State ga transform. People share abroad ga-alọtacha bịa mee investment n'ụlọ. You know what? So don't fight them. Ahabupu church are here. Me na ga born on ihu na anya anyị here. Do you know what it is? Mmadụ he were a huge amount of money in trust on aka. Do you know he megidere no wa we near trust mmadụ? Me na ga born on here. Our brothers and sisters in deep in America contribute to 1 billion kas no gini. Were ye nye Ebuka Obi si awe. Mmadụ nyetola 2 million naira before for free sigi were. Trust enough, you get 2 million naira. These are the things that we get sometimes. Get che. We need the more hypnosis go place on them. We need their trust. How we go out bunye see how we ga me all each other. When you think about that one, you respect that person. Okay? See how juju go use on them. People be in America, with such a huge amount of money, bunye see how we you get respect to that thing. Here, how many had you get respect here? Akuma man when na apụta mgbe aha brother Ebuka Obi enwe ka ọ na-ekwu mgbe aha mgba ya na many of you ma onye mgbu but emegide ya simba you got ka m hapụ ya because mụnwa ị na-ekwuto ya aka m criticize kwa ya o ya make m na like m get criticize kwa ya but mụnwa ị na-ekwuto ya it doesn't really show na I'm the open-minded because when I'm the open-minded, they come now nke ọjọọ na-eme kwesịrị ịhụ nke ọma ọ na-eme. So when I'm now hụ naanị nke ọjọọ na-eme mgbe niile, ya aghọla witch hunting. I have to be fair. Ya mee ka ọma m praise ya mekwe ka ọjọọ m gwa ya sị mba ka dị njọ. But some of you chọrọ ka ọ witch hunting. Ebuka Obi na-emekwa our people nka, na-emekwa our people nka. You get respect for the right of those people na agadi. Mana ya emekwe nke na-adịghị mma anyị gwakwa ya hụ. Oh yeah, man. Many of you are gonna like him because I will mean you. I gonna open your enemy. Unless ma huna that thing ha had him clear nanya. I told me so ga fight anybody. Mna ma here console the fight. And when me kiss so ga fight anybody. Mna ma here we necessary again here. More that thing not the personal to me. I gonna so ga fight. And I got that. And Esokolema fight my own. Don't join me to fight anybody. I Sokolema fight anybody. I wanna give me him give one me him. Mga fight iron out. I try money say join him. And you put your own. Don't expect me to join you. I got the fair. This civilized. Kedo tumge she say Ebuka Obi bupu church eba. Agwala m redeem say ha bupu church ha no were. Enwe the other man no were there na akpọ Sia1. On one accent ka onye build South Africa before ma onye build those countries with around South Africa. That's Sia1. Accent ya kam je ekwu. The accent otoshi ekwu okwu. Ana m eche na maybe onwe iko build South Africa ma o build those countries around South Africa. On one church no were. And all, that guy won Imo State. Why they say Buko church here? Why is he teaching all the fair when we Buko be say Buko church in Why? Shy on this program. I told me to repeat on women. I'll be free thinker. Here when I'm not put some of them guys have bunny. I wish I had a bunny by the way. I wish. Now, Haga no wrong with hotel here won't how to convert some money in dollars. If they do it, I will take it. But I'm not even going for that. I'm not even thinking about that. That is not the reason why I'm saying what I'm saying. I am being fair. I am being a true Igbo man that thinks. Yeni no na Lagos na but Lagos government is here. Why is the more when Ndi Igbo woni most state get see akwapunga? We make people such a thing, and it is not fair to say so. Shire and programmer, okay? Yami decide when you try to church, please don't go because it is your decision. Yami decide when you try to please guy back guy him. Man him go call name. Use your common sense. Now, here now about churches. I am trying to curtail their excesses because Nigeria were a porous system, porous country where when any check, when any control anywhere. So, pastors, men of God, it take across all their bounds, across all boundary, Kemwe. So, yamen when you checkmate, you got yamen when you checkmate, how got the bad. All that in that position, not nam trying to push anybody to go to church or must church is not Igbo. Then Nan have fight each other battle, they couldn't win it. I didn't sure get win it. It's a church Lana Igbo. Unless my government gave me, or any government gave me a win here. And we are trying to open the eyes of some individuals because pastors are blind, there are a lot of people. Pastors say destroy many homes. Religion they destroy the life of many people. So ya me nwonya deka anyị na agwa ha that hard truth. Ge mana I get one generation of zombies, people who don't think. You know what? Because amamo to pastor ya na nwunye bi n'ime ụlọ. Mana it is not easy nwoke na nwaanyị bi n'ime ụlọ. In fact, hapụgodu nke nwoke na nwaanyị ọ dị easy mmadụ na abụ ibi cohabit. Not in peace. The ability to understand the weaknesses of each other and the ability to, to mend with each other. Because I had the perfect. Now, pastor I preach every Sunday na dress like an actor act charity. Family even with we kid worse than he got through. But he gave betray every slight thing digimos will get mapo. Gaga kowari at the man because he nature not the perfect. He may betray your husband. In a respect, in a dig enough respect. Emagwana chiwani would in a respect dig enough. But in a moment carpet a pastor who's just for him to accept you. All those excesses can actually caught. You can still be yourself now at church, but without making yourself your pastor's toy. And when brothers today, like Nabani, I'm families who to families in there. I'm not told them one day papa and mama hanesuku. But he them to mana today family has shattered in pieces. Or again, one pastor could family has shattered in pieces. And here and there pastors never existed. But people believe it because again, a pastor could. That is where we come in. We want to stop such. The thing is too much. And I a rascality. So we hear him now fight, not church. Fight your church. I fight Christianity. Emma, many of you, and with any argument, you have no argument. You also now want Antichrist. You are fighting against church. You will also bomb. I know who I am. Sogopom Antichrist. Sogopom whatever, I know who I am. And also at the age and I'm going to seek your approval to tell me who I am. I already know who I am. So learn how to deal with tough truths, with hard truths. Learn how to deal with it. You always in no more for forget man I have ejoku because men aga bomb man ejoku na fufu. Before on your chair with the church in Ili Igbo, ndị nna nna anyị ha machukwu. Even ndị nna nna anyị ha, they know the true God, or hammer the true God. Ndị nna nna anyị ha wụ ndị ma the true God, or hammer ma the true God. Onye ọcha bịara bịa turn no brain ha. To make them overthrow ke ha believe accept one ka, which shows na how they go conquered. Ya may go history of war. Ị ga-ahụ na mgbe ọwụla obodo na obodo lụrụ ọgụ, obodo ọwụla win ibe ha, ha ga-akọ obodo ọwụla kọnkara ibe ha, ị ga-change language ndị ahụ, change your culture, change everything about them, where your own impose on them. That is what happened to us. So I don't want to believe na no time ugbu a Chineke nna onye amamihe, the wise God meremu from nature, from where I don't know, tinye me into the belly of my mother. Amom na Igbo. Nkode na mba na eghere mba ni. Ebe onye no ka chi no, hi geje amata wo. Ebe ahụ ekwunu ugbu a, lo nwe anya ị ga-ahụ enyi by your side. Ị ga-ahụ your shadow by your side. That is to show you wherever you are at any given time, that is where your God is. So I don't want to believe Sean Udenna. I don't want to believe na Chineke onye mere ma mom na Ili Igbo, mom na mba no. Ge were onye ge save m do in Israel na ma. What if mam na enwe kwene chance ga Israel ga meet onye asom laze ni. How brainwashing can do ọcha mere ndị nna nna anyị. Believe one Chukwu na everywhere. Chineke onye kere ụwa niile. Do you know how big this world is? Aga were the only savior n'ụwa ga dosi an Israel. What of ndị na-aga agalikwe n'Israel ga ahụ? Wow, my sister from Owerri, Chinyere Onyenwike. What of ndị na-aga agali Israel ga ahụ? Accept who you are. Chineke mee mistake ka ege ebe ahụ. Amamotu m ga-eshi nọ n'ala Igbo, n'ala Igbo. Hapụ chinke ndị Igbo na-akpọ Chineke onye Dubai. O gosiri na ị nwere inferiority complex. O gosiri na ikweghị dị self na ewu mmadụ. Ị na-achọ ime accept no mistake ka Chukwu ji kee ebe ahụ. So ma asị ndị ọcha bịa Africa, ị ga-ahụ Chukwu. Mana ndị be anyị azawago Chukwu ebuka ma ndị ọcha bịa Africa. So how come ndị be anyị ji azụ dị aha dị otu ahụ? Ọ nwere iwe na-follow m ebe a. You can say you learn how to use this brain. And they are blocked for so long time. You don't use it anymore. Okay. Sean Udenna, I'm gonna call my brother from UK. I'm gonna call the. Ubachoma today. So yeah, I am not in Africa. Believe in yourself. I made a lot of conversations with Ndiocha. Onyocha chopper with that African man who believe in yourself. They respect you so much. I swear to God. Onwere nke mere 2 years ago. Ebe m na-arụ ọrụ. Ana m arụ ọrụ dia. Onwekwa one other Benin boy. Many a na-arụ ọrụ dia. Now one other lady wonye Thailand. Emma, I want somebody named Hiochi. I want somebody mbata ebe ndị mmadụ. M ga-try ihe m ga-eme ka somebody church. So that lady anyị na-arụ ọrụ mbịakwanụ. M praise the lady. M ga-asị m ga-alụ ya. Egwuregwu ka m na-egwukwe o. Mbịa m ga-asị m ga-alụ ya. Ya chịkwa n'ọchị. Sị m why m ji sị m ga-alụ ya. M sị na m ga-alụ ya because na m chọrọ ka o mee m introduce to Buddha na m chọrọ iwu onye Buddha. O onye Thailand. Ịma na most of those Asian countries bụ Buddha. Yes, na m chọrọ iwu onye Buddha. Ịma na mgbe ọla ị gwara nwoke ma ọ gwa nwaanyị si chọrọ ịmụ language ya ma ọ chọrọ believe na religion ya. That thing na-eme mmadụ feel like to draw close to you. So I know what I'm doing. M gwa ya na m ga-alụ ya. Yes, mgbe m ji chele m sị na m chọrọ ka o mee m introduce ka m worship with Buddha. Yes, m okay. Na m dị ready na mgbe ọla ya ga-aga temple na ya ga-akpọ m na phone m bịa ka mene ya soro ga. M si okay. Ka mene ya nọ na-ekwu ihe ahụ. the Swedish man who was supervisor. He got onye ka home onye mo na mo onye ara. So ya bia nso, bia no him na that lady ku. Ya bia drum se. Gent. The Swedish man a drum se na mwe Christian msi amba. Ya drum se mwe Islam msi amba. Ya drum se kede wana nke mwa wo msi na wo man African. Taka mshizaya ya. That's msi the binima no gas mba na mgwe na mwe Christian say wa mgeja gwe na mwe Christian. Msi na wo me Christian. Awo mo onye Islam. And how man African. The man ekwem n'aka. Ma ye ekwem n'aka ma hogwaram. Yes na today ka meet a true African because now Christianity was brought to us by Europeans and it was forced on us. Msi yes ama mama. Onye ocha gwaram ya. Ima na ndị ọcha as a system, ha nwere ike system ha nwere ike ikwere arụ ga ma arụ, but individuals ha na-enwe their own different opinions concerning that thing, but a system we system. Ya gwa m sị na today ka meet a true African because na m chọọ m believe in my Africanity. M chọọ isi na m a Christian. M chọkwa isi na m Islam because he niile ndị a ewetachara eweta na Africa, but na m sị na m kwere na Africa ye kwem n'aka. That man respects me. Even here who could self and met that Thailand girl, ye changes the view to Shahum. Onyocha will love you more when they see that you are yourself. But Onyocha who gonna come with this brainwashed mentality. You got that? Ya taking a garbage upon attend also. Watching from Bahrain. And I got that. So you be proud of who you are. They're proud of your own identity. That is what I stand for. But guess what? Now any of this thing get your email. Go ahead and do it. But mata na enwere owu ihe nne ka me na ga eme agree. Owu ihe nne ka me na ga eme disagree. And I got that. Utam gwara na mwe free thinker. Indeed, I'm a free thinker to the core. To the core. Oh, him. Even when we come go again, the Apostle Paul in a gonna Bible. The Apostle Paul in a gonna Bible. A man always free thinker like myself. Do you know? Apostle Paul in a gonna Bible. A man always free thinker like myself. Apostle Paul say, I become everything. I become everything for the gospel of Christ. You got earlier before. Oh yeah, man. I got one Apostle Paul. Ya gakwuru ndị na ife arụsị ya na ha eri ndị eji ife arụsị. Ya gakwuru kwe ndị na-egbu mmadụ ya na ha arapọ kwa. Ya bịakwutekwe ndị na-ekpe ihe. I become everything for the gospel of Christ. Tell him here, I can become anything at any given time. Oh yeah, man. Some of you cannot understand me, but deal with it, please. I'm a free thinker. You all are not gamanya. You all am not satisfied with at any given time. Get question here. No so why I worry many. Say I worry my mother. Even when my mother didn't know, my mother knows me. Oh yeah, man. Some of those questions now put out online. One sound was so tough. Some people namne behave below my age. Listen to me. I'm both ancient and modern. But I'm a young person. Many I got rapport off movement. Get what I'm an old man. Many I got rapport off movement. Get what I'm grandpa. Many I got rapport off movement. Just I am so blessed the way God created me. I am so blessed. I don't know about you. I feel so blessed the way Chinekeji came. I'm very happy with my life. Uno wa when I watch him here. Achom kunu surum kele one of my fan. Let me remember his name. I'm gonna gift this individual I'm gonna gift this individual Prince Nanyelugo. I'm gonna gift with my name on it. I was so overwhelmed. I wake him up early in the morning around 2 o'clock or so, 3 o'clock. I saw that thing. I was so touched. Next month got my birthday. So when I prepare for me. You gotta prepare here. time ga-abịa when I will make it public. Onwe ha hi ga-enye m, onwe ha hi ga-agwa m on my birthday. So today, I hope now pass along a very important message. I hope. Now, in a little more light about who I am, what I stand for, and what I do. So, ọkwa na enwe ihe ọzọ na-edochabeghị anya gị bịa gwa m ebe a. Ichekwana na ọwe na-akpọ m names. O kpare o. Adigom too old to change now because of you. Adigom too old to change because of you. Enwego my own philosophy, well carved out. Enwego my own street where I am going, well built, well prepared. If you want to go my way, you come on. But if you don't want to go my way, goodbye. By the way, I am Wakoma. I'm gonna happen today. Please share around my program. I want people to get this message. I want people to begin to use their brain. Just be a free thinker, okay? Now go church go, but be open-minded. Against but be yourself. I will need to this favor. Get shy around this program. But I nature him here also. So good. Mana kelerem praise si nanyelugo. Onye me gift. Onye me gift. Come go see you nearby. Onye me gift with my name on it. Can you see that? Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Oh, one of my fans so me banyeremia. Okay, come happen today. Kuboshta yamanu nina mma. Kachineke mgozi unu. Chekwa opu na mbata unu. Nyeku ni ihe unu ga-erita, maka unu ga-eje azụ ụmụ unu, maka unu ga-eje emepe obodo, maka unu ga-ejikwa eme ọgọ. Ya marụ unu mma. Aha m ka Wakoma. M ga-ahụ ọzọ ebe a echi. Ka ọ dị.